So we just got the house, so we're going to head inside and start demolishing all the like, kitchen units and everything like that. So follow us in. Behind me there's a bunch of old cupboards and shelves and stuff like that needs to be taken down before we strip all the wallpaper off. So that's what we're getting to.
Everyone else was upstairs and in other parts of the house, taking part other wardrobes. We then used this slide to get it all downstairs and into the skip. A successful first day for the Renovation Rascals.